Welcome back to a Programblue tutorial. What is Programblue? It is one of the most powerful and easy to learn animatronic show programming software packages in the world. Build yourself a theater of robots and sync over 240 channels to any audio file with Programblue. In this tutorial, we will talk about creating your very first show. Getting started is very easy, you just need to supply the audio file. Programblue is packaged with a special audio import render plugin. Because of this, you can pretty much start with any popular audio file. MP3, WAV, WMA, etc. If this is your first time using Programblue with a connected controller device, I suggest you look for and watch the #1 tutorial. Registering my controller. This tutorial assumes you've already connected a controller, or you are not using a controller at all. Let's get it started. Open up the Programblue application. Some of you may get a pop-up window to allow Programblue to make changes to this computer. Select Yes. This is because Programblue requires admin rights to run properly. If you don't have a controller connected, you may also see this pop-up, warning you that no controller device was found. Click OK. Assuming you already have your audio file located in a known location on your computer, let's click File menu, New Show. A window pops up asking for you to select your audio file. Click Select Audio. Browse to your audio file. Select it and click Open. You will see that another window will pop up. This is the audio importer. Here your file is being converted to a Blue standard. The Creating New Show window pops up. Here you give your show a name. Refrain from using any exotic characters, such as apostrophes. Then enter the author's name, usually your name. If this is your show you are programming, you get to be the star of this show. Fantastic! And lastly, the channel template file. The channel template file is a custom file for holding the names of channels. Since Programblue is a universal programmer for many different robots, robotic shows, animatronic venues, light shows, and more, some may want to name their channels differently. If you have already named your own channels, or you have someone else's existing channel template file, you can click Browse here and select that file. Now click OK. We now wait while Programblue loads and graphs our audio file, and sets up the show database. Wow, look at this, our very first show is set up and ready to start programming. I am so excited. Thanks for joining me today to learn more about Programblue. We just recently added Programblue to the dsfrobots.com website as a standalone product, for those who are wild enough to get their hands dirty in blind programming without a controller. Also, if there are any specific tutorials you would like to see finished, leave a comment. Click subscribe, join our Blue world. And as always, see you next time my wonderful Blue fans.